Hi, in this video, I will show you the importance of set signing order and what is the purpose and how it can be used. You have to follow the steps of uploading a document. So set signing order is a feature that will be enabled if there are more than one signer. You can either use a document that is already saved or you can send it directly to the recipients. Here I have added one recipient. For the set signing order to be enabled, we have to have more than one recipient. To add more recipients, click on the add more recipients, and once it is done, so you could see, so the options is now open. So for the set signing order to work, we have to enable it. The conditions for set signing order is you need to have more than one recipient and you need to enable the set signing order checkbox. How it works is, let's say that I'm sending out this document here. When I set the signing order, the document will first reach out to the first recipient listed here, and then once the first recipient completes the action, it will send on to the second recipient. And if there are more than two recipients, it will subsequently go to the third recipient. When set signing order is disabled, all the recipients will get the document at the same time. So where it is very impactful is when the document needs a signature in a certain order, or if the document needs to be reviewed by the second recipient or the third recipients. When we enable the set signing order condition, the first recipient may update the document, the second recipient may review the document, and the third recipients can approve the document, and everything will happen in an order. So this is the function of set signing order. We have triggered documents to couple of recipients and we have set the set signing order. First, we have to look at the first recipient, which is smkabir86@gmail.com, and we have to enable the declaration and continue to the document. As you could see, we have the signature which is meant for this specific user. So we can either use the mouse pad or upload our signature, or we can type our signature here. Then let's save it. So once we save and finish the document, so we got the signature here. On clicking finish, so the next recipient in the order is SMHK86. Now as you could see, we have received the completed document by the previous signer. Now it is asking for us to sign it. Let's use type as the option. Again, we have to finish the document here. On completing the document, the the platform user gets the email with the link to download the completed document. Now the platform user have received the document. On clicking view, I'll be able to see the document signed by both the recipients. Here you could see both the signatures are available and the test title which we entered is also available. Now I have option to download the document as well. So this is how the set signing order functionality works. I hope you understood the complete flow. Thank you.